Okay, this is a quick demo of the health thermometer device. So what I'm going to show is the interoperability of the device, because that's one of the key benefits of using Bluetooth, is through using the standard services you separate out the app from the device. So for example, if we start with NRF Connect, which is a standard utility app, so we just wait for it to detect our BlueFruit device. Sometimes it can take a while. Here it is. So here we go. So here we go. Health thermometer is service, and you can see we have two characteristics: temperature measurement and temperature type. So temperature type has a read property, so if we click on that one, there you go. So it's saying body general. If we click on temperature measurement and we enable the indications, this will allow us to get some temperature readings. So take a device. Here we have 3 samples. And there you go. It's just told us that the temperature value is 13.26. Just disconnect here. Right, here's another app. This one's developed by Cypress Semiconductor. So here we click on the app, it's connecting, goes through different things, all the different services, and there is the health thermometer. So straight away this app reads the temperature type data, so it's telling us sensor location, body general. So pick it up and let's measure. There, it's telling me my coffee pot's got cold and the temperature is 31 degrees. And there's my bag of peas warming up up to 1.4 degrees. So close this one down. Okay, and then the app we developed ourselves using MIT App Inventor on that. So here we can scan through our devices. There's our device there. Connect with it. Okay, so there is also read temperature type or location is body general. And it's telling me my bottle of juice is 10.28 degrees. So there you have it, the BluefruitLE health thermometer device, which was developed on the Adafruit Feather M0 BluefruitLE device. Okay, thanks.